Item 1 of supplementary list for judgment.
For reasons mentioned in the judgment, the appeal is partially allowed. The conviction of present appellant is converted from section 302 of the IPC to section 304 part 2 of the IPC. And his sentence is also modified from life imprisonment to rigorous imprisonment for 10 years with a fine of rupees 2,000, and in default of payment of fine to undergo further simple imprisonment for 2 years, 2 months.
Rule 3.
3-5.
Yes. The notice shall be served at the address where the proceeding last resided or reportedly resided, or works for gain, and in case of change of place of residence, which has been duly intimated in writing to the investigation agency by the alleged person, it shall be served with such change addressed by the foreigners too. Then conditions are there. If the proceeding is not found at the address at the time of service, the notice may be served at. So for this purpose, 3-5F, 5F will come. If the proceeding has changed the place of residence of the.
But I have got it. Para 103 of full bill judgment. I've got it.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Heard Mr. M.U. Mandal, learned counsel. M.U. Mahmood.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the. Also heard. MSLDB learned CGC for the response number 1 and 4.
1 and 4.
Stop. Mr.
Yeah,
A.I. Ali, learned standing counsel ECI for the response number 2.
I will apply for 3,
Mr. J. Bayang, learned standing counsel FD for response number 3,
6 and 7.
3, 6, and 7. And Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate for the response number 5. Stop. Para. The petitioner before this court is aggrieved with the order of the opinion passed by the Foreigners Tribunal 8 Golpara in FT case number within bracket FT number stop 8 close bracket 832/16, whereby the no. Where is the impugned order?
Page 38 went.
Is aggrieved by the order, ex party order dated ex party order dated
4/8/2017.
4/8/2017 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal number 8 at Kolpara in FT case number in case number FT within bracket 8 dash GLP /399/16, by which the petitioner has been declared as a foreigner as she entered Assam on or after 25/3/19. Stop. Vara. The ground for passing the ex party order by the learned tribunal, by the learned Foreigners Tribunal is that the process server reported to the officer in charge of Golpara RPS that the procedure of the petitioner is not available in village Taladanga. Stop. Thereafter, notice was again issued to the proceeding, and the process server was directed to hang the notice in a conspicuous part, being a shop. After execution, the original copy of the notice was returned to the tribunal with two witnesses, namely Abdul Batil and Azibura, which was countersigned by the officer in charge of Golpara RPS. Stop. The foreigners travel further held that the procedure was absent on 16/3/2016, 4/4/2016, 13/5. What is this one? What is the original copy? Who is the original copy?
Of the judgment, my lord,
Yes,
that is page 42,
page.
42. This is the Xerox copy of the original judgment. Normally do not annex, however, it may be, let me see. Yes, this is.
What is this?
Certified copy of the judgment. Judgment is opinion.
But then they cancel the dates on 4 different dates. Stop. Under such circumstances, the learned tribunal declared the petition as a foreign. Para. In the case of State of Assam and others versus Muslim Mandal and others, reported in 2013 within bracket 1 GLT 809. A full bench of this court laid down the procedure with regard to service of notice by the tribunals on the proceeding. Stop. Para the relevant paragraph, it's extracted here and below. 8B. I'm just clicking. It's a long one. Stop. Stop. Para on the consideration of the manner in which the tribunal proceeded with regard to the service of notice on the proceeding, we are of the considered opinion that the process for service of notice upon the proceeding was not duly followed. Stop. Accordingly, the impugned order, ex parte order,
Page 37.
dated 4/8/2017. Passed by the Foreigners Tribunal number 8 at Kolkata in case number FT within bracket 8-GLP of 399 of 2016 is set aside in cost. Stop. Petitioner is directed to appear before the tribunal on
Any day after 1 month.
after 1 month. It is 30. No, you appear on 29th.
Of
On
life.
29th of September 2022. Stop. This is said before the is directed to appear before the Foreigners Tribunal number 8 at Kolkata on 29th of September 2022. With the aforesaid directions, street petition is disposed of. I'm keeping a copy here.
Highly obliged.
15,
Keep the adjustment. So that we-
Wait, please, your lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, this is a contested case, order dated 13/7 of 2029, sorry, 2022.
Page,
Lordship, impugn order is in page number 30. Page number 36, lordship.
36.
Lordship. Lordship, my petitioner father deposed his DW2. The deposition is on page number 77, lordship. And to establish the linkage, lordship, two documents has been submitted. One is Kabin-nama, another one is school certificate, where her father name has appeared along with her. Lordship, the Kabin-nama is in the page number 49 and school certificate is in page number 65.
Kabinama.
Lordship. To certify the Kabin-nama, lordship, the Qazi has deposed his
And the school certificate?
lordship, page 65.
Who's your father?
Lordship,
Moju Sheikh.
lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the school headmaster has also deposed his DW3. And Kabin-nama, the Qazi has deposed his DW4. Lordship, her father name appeared along with her grandfather in the voter list of 1977.
Where is that voter list?
Lordship, page number 59. Serial number 1, Isabuddin Sheikh, son of Panaullah,
That's your grandfather.
lordship. Panaullah is the grandfather. And his name, her grandfather name appeared in the voter list of 1970 lordship. 1960 lordship, which is
No,
page
this
number
1977.
lordship.
Where's your father's name?
Sorry. Lordship, page number 59. Last serial number 349. Mozo Sheikh, son of Isab.
Isop. You said that your father's name and your name, your father's name and your grandfather's name appeared.
Appeared. My
Where's your grandfather's name?
Grandfather name appeared at serial number 343, Isabuddin Sheikh, son of Panaullah.
What is this? One says ESOP and one says ESOP. Can it be the same? This is the same person, this Isabuddin Sheikh and ESOP.
Yes, Lordship. So Lordship, there's a spelling mistakes on, bona fide mistakes on the election commission. Lordship, Isab, in some, voter list, his name has been recorded as Isabuddin. And in some voter list, it is Isabuddin. There is a one spelling mistakes of A and O.
Then
And for that, Lordship, one self-sworn affidavit has been annexed and as annexure 13, where it's clearly stated that Isabuddin are the same and one person, which is petitioner's grandfather.
when was that affidavit sworn?
Lordship, page number 67.
Yes. You had a procedure, you saw the affidavit.
Lordship.
How did you show that?
Lordship, affidavit is submitted before the tribunal.
No, I'm asking you one question. How did you show this affidavit?
Lordship, it was shown an affidavit that Isabuddin are same and one person.
No, you're not answering my question. Anyway, proceed, we'll see.
Lordship, in DW2, where his father has deposed the DW2, it's clearly stated that opposite parties that is my daughter who is born and the whole details is given.
Where's that?
Lordship, in page number 81.
Hmm. Yes.
Verification here is the process. Lordship, next one, verification report in page number 42. The on-spot verification was held where she has been declared doubtful citizen relation. The whole verification report is not completed. The verification was not done properly. The form is not filled properly. Only her name and the address is given.
Hmm.
On a ground that no documents was produced before IO.
Yes.
Lordship, if I read the written statement, para 4, the page number 30.
Yes, by what is,
My lord, there are enough discrepancies, but at this stage, your lordship may issue notice that the record may call for.
Yeah.
Because
but MS
P Khatun, Lordship.
E Khatun, the concept. Issue notice. Mesh and Levy, then it's DC appears for this one number 1 and 1 and 6. Stop. Mr. AI Ali, Learner Standing Council, ECI for this one number 2. Mr. J. Bayang, Learner Standing Council, FT for the respondents, 3 and
3 and 5.
5. And Mr. P. Sharma, Learner Additional Senior Government for this one number 4.
4.
Stop. Who is the case opinion? Who is the impugned order?
Page 36. ma'am.
36.
Call for the record of
FT case number 2284 of 2011, SSF.
FT case number 2284 oblique SSM oblique 11. From the Foreigners Tribunal,
South Salmara Hatchingimari.
South Salmara at
Hatchingimari.
Hatchimari. Stop. List the matter after 4 weeks. Are you praying for an interim order?
Lordship, I may be protected, Lordship.
I'm waiting for that.
I may be protected.
Petitioner is directed to appear before the consent superintendent of police border, within the border. And after he furnish a bail bond of ₹5,000 along with the surety of the bail bond. The SP, consent SP border shall also take the biometrics of the petition. Thereafter, petitioner shall be permitted to proceed.
Obliged, your Lordship.
16, admission.
Okay. May I please, your lordship? My lord, this matter pertains to the custodial debt of my father, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look on the last order, 11 August 2023.
Lordship, we are directed to file an affidavit for bringing the final report on record. Lordship, we have received the final report. The affidavit we shall file during the course of the day, Lordship.
Lordship, I have some submission. Despite this, I have some submission in this case, my lord. In this case, lordship, I'd like to draw your lordship kind attention, my lord. Kindly have a look the order dated 24 March 2021. Earlier, this matter was before the single judge, my lord, and single judge, my lord, found that this matter pertains to a custodial debt matter. Accordingly, this one is stated to place before the division bench. 24/3/20. Though the number of the affidavit opposition have been filed, the cause of death has not been reflected in said affidavit. Sri Swayanshri Learned Council, the representative respondent number 8 submits that as per the post-mortem report, the cause of death is acute and chronic coronary insufficiency, and the same also revealed that there was no mark of the physical injury on the body of the deceased. Since one of the relief made in this petition is toward the non-receipt of the post-mortem report, Swayanshri Council shall file affidavit annexing the post-mortem report and relevant papers wherein the cause of death has to be specifically written in the Milord, next Milord. The Lord State Council would also appraise this court regarding the present place of posting of the respondent number 6, YT Gets 2, who was serving at the time of the additional superintendent of police Dima Hassan district, as the allegations pertains to the said officer, Milord, and he has not entered appearance in the present proceeding. A copy of this order furnished. Now, my humble submission, this order passed, Milord, on 24 March 2021, Milord. We have filed. My father was picked up by the concerned respondent number 6 on 7 July 2012, Milord. Now it is almost, Milord, more than 11 years past, Milord, that we filed an instant application petition before this honorable court in year 2015, Milord, and the concerned officer respondent number 6, despite completion of service, Milord, he neither approached before the court, nor filed any affidavit, Milord, again, not discharged his evidence, Milord. Now, my lord, despite this order, Milord, on 24/3/21, Joint Secretary has filed one affidavit, Milord. I'd like to draw your lordship kind attention, Milord. Page 81, affidavit filed by the Joint Secretary, Milord, complying this order. Page 81.
Yes.
Lordship, it is that the affidavit for and on behalf of respondent number 1 in compliance of the order, mainly 24/3/21, that there's the where is respondent 6 is there. It is to be informed before this court. They have filed it on 98, Milord. Kindly have a look. Page 98. One order they have annexed here, Milord. That is on 20 May 2021. That means, Milord, this honorable court is directed on 24 March 21, and this order 20 May 21, Milord. After 2 months, in the interest of public service, page 98, Milord. Annexure E, 98, that is 20 May 2021, Milord. In the interest of public service and in persons of Government of India Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi, letter dated so, the service of Sri YT Gets 2, the Superintendent of Police Law, Directorate of Vigilance in Anti-Corruption, Assam, Guwahati, are placed for inter-cadre deputation from Assam Meghalaya Joint Cadre to Sikkim Cadre for an initial period of 3 years on the ground of personal hardship. Sri Waicho Gyatso, IPS, Superintendent of Police Law, Director of Vigilance in Anti-Corruption, Assam, Guwahati, is hereby released from the state government with effect date of handing of a search. My humble submission in this case, Milord, that this honorable court is direct. We filed the instant writ petition 2015, Milord. The service is completed, Milord, according to non-representation by the respondent number 6, who picked up my father at light 12:30 p.m., Milord. He's a very innocent person. It is also reflected for the judicial inquiry that the victim is an innocent person, just to inquire about where his son about. To query this, he was illegally picked up, and judicial inquiries conducted in the 2013. That concerned officer to the respondent number neither represented that in investigation period, Milord, and 3 more eyewitnesses have seen that 2 constables pulled the legs of my father, and that concerned respondent number 6 jerked his head on the table, Milord. And now, my humble submission, this on 24 March 2021, this court is directed where is about that now it is, they have said, and 20 May 2000, my humble submission today, Milord, the respondent number 1 may be directed to communicate the respondent number 6. He should be personally present before this court and file an affidavit that why illegally he picked up my father, and the whole allegations against the respondent number 6. He has not represented this case, Milord. In the absence of respondent number 6, Milord, we have filed in this case, Milord. But kindly have a look, page 11, the prayer we have made in this case. Why we have made this prayer, Milord? Before taking to this, Milord, I'd like to draw your lordship kind attention, para 14 of my writ petition, page 10. Para 14, Milord.
Yes.
That the petitioner state that till date, no departmental action has been taken against the police personnel, that is Respondent 6, Milord, for their lapses in protecting the life of people, and further for not taking impartial action during investigation, due to failure on the part of the police authority to investigate and to punish the persons due to reasons of incident and the date of Azizur Rahman, my father name, Milord. The respondent authorities are entitled for a direction from this honorable court to investigate the whole incident as well as that of the father of the petitioner, either by the Central Bureau Investigation or National Investigation Agency. Since, Milord, my father died in the 2012 in the police custody, Milord, now it is almost 2023, more than 11 years past, Milord, and till that, Milord, Respondent number 6, he has not represented, not participated in any investigation authority, my lord, in the judicial inquiry, he is absent, my lord. Our prayer at page 11, next page, my lord. Why you are seeking this prayer, my lord? That to conduct an inquiry of the death of a father of the petition by the investigating authority as by Central Bureau Investigation or National Investigation Agency. And number B, my lord, to conduct departmental inquiry against the police personnel who were involved. And number 3, my lord, to submit a certificate of the post. We have received this, my lord. During pendency of the matter, they have supplied to me the postmortem report, my lord. And number 3, my lord, the compensation. Now, my lord, in this case, we have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. So what judicial inquiry is conducted, what inquiry has found, my lord. Lord, you kindly have a look, 1110 of my additional affidavit. Page 110.
Oh.
110, my lord. Lordship will next page 47, my lord. Page 47, 111, serial number 6, my lord. During the inquiry, the following witnesses are examined on different dates. A lordship, the number 1, Mohibur Rahman, number 2, Tajuddin Borbuya, number 3, Sahidun. They dear three eyewitnesses, my lord. In next page, my lord, 112. No way lordship will find the evidence judicial in the while judicial investigation was taken, my lord. That concern respondent number 6 is not here. Now, my lord, what exactly eyewitness has said in this case? From para 8, the statements of the persons examined during the inquiry. The witness Mohibur Rahman, Mayur stated that on 6/7/12 at night around 1 a.m. he heard cries in the house of his neighbor Azizur Rahman. This is victim, my lord.
Mr. Deka,
My lord.
today.
But why I'm showing this, my lord?
Yes,
So respondent number 6 presence is very important. So
that's why,
Yes,
we've
yes.
gone to. But where is the present respondent number 6?
yes, my lord.
At present,
At present, the joint secretary has placed one order. It is that he was placed before the Sikkim cadre, Assam Meghalaya joint cadre to Sikkim cadre, 20 May 2021, page 98.
but where is the proper address of the respondent number 6?
Paper that I have to take it back.
The whole case is against respondent number 6, my lord. Since 2015, he has not represented.
That the final report be brought on record, Lordship.
Along with that final report, you give the proper address of the respondent number 6.
Madam.
After that, we'll pass up.
And one, my lord, in the meantime, they will maybe also directed, if they found a proper address, he may be communicated to appear before this court, my
No,
lord.
no, that will pass the order.
Yes, my lord. I leave it up, lord.
But Mr. B. Deka.
PK Deka.
BK Deka, Lane Council for the Petition. MS
M. Devi, Lordship.
M. Devi Leonard,
Government Council, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. Deenath, Lordship, Senior Government Advocate.
Leonard Government Advocate, appearing on behalf of Mr. Deenath, Leonard Senior Government Advocate. Submits that they have received the final report
Lordship.
and yes, that the and the same will be filed through an affidavit within the course of the day. Stop. Para. The permission to file the final report is allowed. However, the respondents are also directed to give the proper address of the respondent number 6 by through the said affidavit. Stop. When?
Let it come in 14th of September, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Matrian.
And moreover, my lord, since there's placing the report, my lord.
Correct and proper.
Yes, my lord. And if they have taken any evidence or statement of the concerned respondent 6, my lord, officer, that may be placed on record, my lord.
That will see. We'll
Otherwise,
let the final
in-
report come.
Yes,
Once the final report come, automatically all the picture will come out.
yes, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Okay.
And one more, my lord, in this case, my lord, since, my lord, this matter was handled by some different council, we recently entered in this case, we found that respondent number 7 to 16 are not necessary in this matter. We filed one interlocutory application to strike down them, my lord. It is not here, my lord. If your lordship may strike down respondent number 7 to 16, my
We
lord.
cannot.
Yes.
Unless
Next date, my lord, next
uh,
date, my lord. Obliged. The registry may be directed, my lord, that I may be placed on record on next date.
List the matter along with IA number.
It is not numbered, my lord. We have filed on 11 August 23.
Okay, cancel it. It cancel list on, huh? It is also submitted by Mr. B.K. Dekal and counsel for the petitioner. That they have filed in IA for,
Striking of
for striking of the name of some
respondent 7 to 16.
of respondent 7 to 16 in the present IA. Stop it. Please the matter again on 14th along with the set IA.
Deeply opposed.
Item 17.
Oh, just like that.
Maybe. Here is the impugned order, my lord. Kindly see Annex 2, my lord, page 18.
Hmm.
18 to 22.
Yes.
It has been declared that I am against me, my lord.
Huh?
Then against me, I have been declared as a foreigner, my lord. Here I have annexed some documents, my lord, relevant total list of 1966 of my father, 70 is father, my lord, and 79, my lord, that is brother and other family members. But one thing, my lord, we could not annex some relevant documents, but which are here before lordship, that is, my lord, annexer, my lord, 6 land documents. Wherein the name of my name and my father's name is there, my lord.
Page.
Page, my lord, 28. This is the land in the name of my father. Number 4. Particular is there, my lord, only 11% I given translated copy, my lord. Page 28, Annexure 6.
Where is your father's name?
Serial number 4, my lord,
Umar Ali.
morally. And next, my lord, page 30. Ali also, my lord, land was measuring same land. Page 30, my lord, hearing, my lord, serial number 1. Nema Pattadar, he is Umar Ali. Particular is there, my lord, next page. And last serial number, my lord, 7, that is the my name, my lord.
What date is this?
Date, my lord. Date was given, that is 14/7/2017. Next date is given, my lord. But land was, my lord, 6 bigha 3 kata 15 lesa, and earlier also the same, my lord. But that document was not annexed, my lord. We could not, my lord. Some
What is
relevant,
this document about Chita?
yes, my lord. It is, my lord, Chita. Jorif was our Chita. Yes.
What Chita is it?
Chita of surveyed village.
Oh.
Page 30, my lord.
Yes.
Chita of 4 surveyed village.
Oh.
Land document. This is a Patta land.
So you also a Patata.
I am also Patta.
Oh.
My name is in serial number 7. And my name is linked with my father here. And another document will kindly see page 32, Annexure 8. Certificate was issued by the one of the relevant Gavura Married, my lord. And lastly, my lord, another, there are some other documents, my lord, and lastly, my lord, page, my lord, 49, your lordship may kindly see.
The- What is this charge number 21? Page
Charge-
32.
My account, my lord. Charge number 21, that is, my lord, yes. There are some Gauras, my lord, there are some lots, probably your lordship knows, and they are given some charges. That is their, my lord, distribution charges. Lots. Original, I have not, my lord, but I have started, for Silko, I have given page 33. Page 33, 30. Has your lordship got it? Hanifali Gaura, my lord, that is also, my lord. Gao, Teklashuti, Mataranga, Kopatuli, charge number 21. Page 33, vernacular meter, SMS. And below Milord, signature is there, Milord, and with seal Milord, Hanipali, Gaura, charge number 21, Mataranga, Kopatuli, son.
Yes.
And next Milord, I kindly see annexure 16, page 49. Some of the relevant documents are there, but this is the most, my submission. This is another Milord FT case, Milord, when my brother was involved in this case. And in this case, Milord, my brother has been declared as a not foreigner.
Oh. Council,
My lord.
come to page 32.
My lord.
Is it the correct translation of page 33?
ইয়ার দ্বারা বলতে হয় যে বিশিষ্ট সাথে লাল ফানু পিতা daughter of Umar Ali, Mataranga P.S. Alabuti. To me, Milord, probably it is correct, Milord.
Okay, proceed. You wanted to show some opinion?
Opinion, yes, Milord. There is a opinion indicating my brother, Milord, page 49.
Brother is a different place. Different place, brother.
Definitely, after marriage, I am residing with my husband, and brother is with was father, and now he is separate.
Mataranga, but it is Surma.
Churma. Father is same. My father was only written as an Umar Ali, but he is Umar Ali, Umar Advani. Here, Milord, my brother and other inside Milord, the all things are name of family members are same. I have filed the brother filed instrument, also deposed in the court tribunal. And after going all through Milord, the learned tribunal Milord held that page 53 that my brother is not foreigner. Last paragraph 8, page 53. Considering the entire materials on record and the discussion made above, I am of the got it, last paragraph.
Yes.
I am of the considered opinion that the opposite party Abdul Latif, son of Umar Ali, and Safiran Sabiran Nasa is not a foreigner of any stream. Both the references are answered jointly in negative and in favor of the opposite party, Abdul Latif. So, my lord, this is also not produced, my lord, as because it was, my lord, the subsequent, after the production, my judgment was earlier, and this was, my lord, given later on. That means, my lord, it was, judgment was declared on 21st of September 2017, and my judgment was declared, my lord, on 15th of June 2017,
No,
after about 6 months or 3 months. So, my lord, my humble submission, if your lordship may please, to examine all these things, my lord, by the tribunal again, so it will be. And
why couldn't you produce all these documents at that point of time?
at the time, my lord, some documents are not, this judgment was not with me. It was given after 3 months. Date is given later on. It was not produced, it was, declaration was made on 21st of September 2017. And my judgment was given, my lord, 15/6/2017, after about 3 months later. And some documents were given to my advocate, my lord, but for the fault of advocate or, but
This Pata. Petition. Her father's name is Omar Sheikh. How do you link with your father?
page 31 is vernacular. From that line, my lord, I can, my lord, establish my father's name, my lord.
That's
Wait.
all.
And also, my lord, Gawra certificate. Gawra issued a certificate, also he was not exempt one, but that certificate is there, my lord. And from the judgment of by the tribunal of my brother.
How do you say that he is your brother?
Father is same, my lord, mother is same. Huh? Chita, my lord, page 30.
Namar Ali.
No, Omar Ali, not Omar Ali, say, Elias is there, my lord. And no, my lord, that judgment or that record of the tribunal, my lord, that case may can be called for examination by your lordship.
Not necessary.
There are some witnesses, my lord, deposed before the court in the tribunal. Those are there, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly have a look at page 23.
Yes.
Yes. Here Umar Ali, projected father of the petitioner lordship, village Matharanga. Lordship. Then lordship 1970 lordship.
1966.
Yes, lordship, page 23.
Oh.
Village is Matharanga lordship,
Oh.
where Umar Ali's name appears, lordship. Then lordship, page 25, lordship, voter list of 1970. This is also same village, lordship. Then lordship,
Page 27.
page 27, lordship. Here
Baradmari.
Here village is different, lordship. Boladmari Chor and lordship, page 31, lordship, who is senior colleague has realized, lordship, page 31 as a link document, lordship. This is of different village, lordship. Village 2. Page 30, lordship, village name is there, Tukura, part 2, lordship.
Tukra part also, my learned friend says that is the revenue village of the land, not the personal residing village.
It is their
Land village is
statement.
always separate.
And lordship, in this land document, lordship, how his father's names appeared, lordship, it was not mentioned, lordship. Only one order is there, lordship, for year 2017, lordship.
1 minute.
Father name appear, that is page 28, under section 103, case number so and so, my lord, your lordship may kindly see, or 260G of 1961-62, order dated 28/3/1962 of the ARO, new dag number 649 is created and land 6 biga 3 kata 15 lesa is recorded in the name of Umar Ali Sheikh, son of Kismatullah. So this is the land is coming to me, my name, my father's name. It was in 1962. An order was passed in 1963. And Bhanagalar is there, my lord.
Yes.
Apart from that lordship, not the same village, lordship, village is different lordship. So this Umar Ali and 1956 Umar Ali may not be same in one person lordship.
Gaugara issued a certificate
Apparent-
saying so.
And lordship, there
From
is
Madaranga to Tukura.
My lord.
How you were earlier in Mataranga, isn't it? In
Yes,
the village
Matharang
lordship.
is Matharanga.
Mataranga.
Matharanga, this is the original village, my lord.
And how did you come to Tukura?
Tukra. Tukra is the land where our land is situated and our residing village is separate. But in the meantime, I have mentioned in WS Minot, there is a shifting where I was Matharanga. Matharanga is eroded. Then we came to the Bolodmari, and Bolodmari, my brother read in school, but I did not schooling. So, Minot, therefore I was married, and after marrying, I am residing some other place, and my brother is also residing some other place. We have some other brother and sister also, Minot. And there is no any case against them. Only one brother, and brother also involved was tried by the tribunal, and after trial he has been given as a Indian. But in my case, it is my fault, as I could not produce all these documents, etc. And on judgment, brother judgment came later on.
brother is also different. Village Surma.
Shurma, but in judgment it is written Mataranga. You kindly, my friend may go. Tinkonia Kudal, of course, same Miller. Father name is same, Umar, mother is same. And
How do you say this Umar Ali of Mataranga and the Umar Ali Sheikh of Tukura are the one and same person?
there is also Gaura certificate same, yes, that is the same person.
Where?
Page 31, Miller. Yes. Oh, sorry. 32. Not saying on that query, but here is written, Mila, this is certified that Lalbanu, daughter of Umar Ali of village Mataranga, P.S. Sonsum. And before that, Mila, I have mentioned, Mila, there was a shifting. Earlier Mataranga now eroded. So there is a shifting to Bolodmari. And Bolodmari is, Mila, in the district of Golpura, and Mataranga is in the district of Kamrup, Digdan Kamrup, now Borpata.
On one basis, Gaura issued this certificate lordship. It is not known as lordship. And Gaura did not maintain any records, do not maintain any record lordship regarding them lordship.
How we can examine? Now he has to examine.
Knowledge lordship regarding
See,
she is the daughter of Umar Ali lordship.
Page 50 on the Miller relevant portion of the judgment of my brother, same documents which I have also used, similar documents. Total list of 1966, parents, Omorali, Matharanga,
Will not issue notice, call for the records.
Lordship, it is already, I think Lordship.
Oh, sorry,
Lordship.
notice already.
Yes, Lordship may fix
Records
for hearing Lordship.
No, records have come.
Yes,
We'll
yes,
call
Lord.
for the records of the other case. Let us verify whether
Yes, yes,
My-
Lordship.
the other matter also.
Lordship.
no, that document for record has not come, my lord. Only
No,
the,
no.
my case has
No,
come.
no, this one is with regard to the present case.
Regarding her brother's case, Lordship.
Brother's case.
Okay, it's 49, page 49, Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. A. Roshit, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr.
Yes, sir.
G. Sharma, learned standing counsel. at the- So, call for the records of FT case number dash FT oblique 5 oblique 329 oblique MO oblique 16 from the foreigners traveler number 5 at Kolpar. Stop. List the matter after. Golpar is how far?
Lordship.
How long will it take from Golpara?
Not more time, Lordship. 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Once.
Eighteen,
In this case, on the earlier occasion, we are directed to produce the voter list of two villages, Takimani grazing village and village Budusor. On that occasion, we have produced the voter list, but there was a certain discrepancy in the voter list of 1985 of Budusor, Your Lordship. That instruction is still limited. Only 1 week time we will continue.
But Mr. I is cycle and the consequence. On request made by Mr. A. Ali, then standing council election ECM. List the matter again after 1 week. Okay.
19,
So in this matter, we need 4 weeks time to file an additional affidavit, Lordship.
This you mentioned in the morning.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, Mr.
B. Borgohai, Lordship.
D. Borgo.
B. Borgohai.
Council for the petition. It's allowed 2 weeks, 4 weeks time.
4 weeks time.
It's 2018 method, Lordship.
2018 matter, I'll give you just 2 weeks.
It's a
All right,
Lordship. It's 2 weeks, Lordship, maybe.
it's allowed 2 weeks time. To file an addition.
My lord,
This-
here, the person who is sworn the affidavit, actually that affidavit. Oh, my lord, kindly 4 weeks time may be granted in this matter,
Why?
my lord, because we need to file an affidavit and some documents, we have to apply those certified also because on last instructions of the court, my lord. So my
Okay,
lord,
4 weeks. Yes, Dr.
my lord, there is an interim order here.
Interim order passenger to continue.
Yes. Also, bless my lord, highly.
21, Twenty-one,
None appears for the petition. This after 2 weeks.
22,
My fellow lordship, the earlier order,
Yes,
lordship,
Lordship, I have received the original document from the Bhagbar Revenue Circle. Lordship.
From the,
Bhagbar Revenue Circle. Lordship. Earlier occasion, I was directed to produce the original document. Lordship.
mutation case.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
worships the petitioner's father's name is Abdul Quddus Mia lordship, page 40 lordship.
1 minute.
Lordship, from the perusal of the record, it is found that the petitioner's the father's name is reflected as Abdul Quddus, issued by the concerned Gaunbura. And in the Jama Mondi serial number 4, Abdul Quddus name is reflected as Abdul Quddus Devani. So in the earlier certificate issued by the concerned Gaunbura, Devani name is not reflected, Lordship. And lastly, Lordship, in the voter list 1966, her father's name is shown as Abdul Quddus Mia. So there are 3 discrepancies, Lordship.
All in vernacular, no?
One and same person lordship. Last Mondal was examined. Really. She doesn't know, considering. Let me just give you the safety.
Yes.
The lordship, the Abdul Quddus Mia Abdul Quddus Dewan lordship, the one and the same person in the Supreme Court judgment, Shirazul Haq lordship. The Latmondal was examined, Gaunbura was also examined. lordship.
Basis, my lord, here. The Jamabandi was, my lord, the record of the Jamabandi was called for. Now, on what basis her name was recorded in the Jamabandi? The only basis as per the record, my lord, from the learned friends noting, is that the Gaunbura certificate. Whereas this honorable court has said, Gaunbura certificate cannot be accepted as a piece of evidence to prove the citizenship. But this is by indirect manner, my lord. On the basis of Gaunbura certificate, her name is recorded in the Jamabandi.
No. Have you read the circle officers?
I have
letter?
gone through, my lord.
It says, to inform you that the field mutation by inheritance was done in the name of Ken Esa in Savanaras, inheritance of late Abdul Quddus of village so and so. Field mutation was done out of verifying voter ID of Abdul Quddus, electoral laws of 1966, 1970, and 1997, along with the report of the council.
Yes, along with the report of the government.
So it's not only on the basis of the Gombras report. They've gone into the electoral laws of 1966,
66, 70 lakhs.
17,
1966, it is, my lord, 1966 voter list. It is not the, my lord, Abdul
Quddus Mian.
Quddus Diwani. 1966, it is Abdul Quddus Miamad.
This is the reflective explanation is there.
That's
No, the first of all, my lord, 1966, it is Abdul Quddus Mia. And the Gaubra, even Gaubra certificate, it is said it is Abdul Quddus, my lord. But how the Jamabandi comes as Abdul Quddus, my lord, Devani.
Wrongly written, it is wrongly recorded. Lordship.
everywhere there's Abdul Quddus, Abdul Quddus.
Yes,
It's only the Diwani, Mia.
The Abdul Quddus is the lordship, same lordship. The title is different.
This assertion is okay, my lord. Abdul Quddus is same. I have
Same
to
lordship.
say. Abdul Quddus Mia is the same or not? Abdul Quddus Diwani. And if we go through the my lord, entire voter list, your lordship will find there are numbers of Abdul Quddus in the same voter list. In fact, it is found generally.
Verify lordship, the home department verify the Abdul Quddus man, 1 year of the same
Not my
person or
duty,
not.
if-
Lordship.
May I go through the records once, my lord? Apart from that, what is there in the merit, I'm not on that, only on the, my lord, on the page. What is?
Go to the records, we list it for
Yes,
hearing.
yes,
then.
yes. Let it be list for hearing, we'll go through the record now.
But Mr.
And Ahmed.
Ken Ahmed, then the council for petitioner. Also heard Mr. Jay Bayam, then the standing council. Stop. The records produced by the Mr.
HK Hazarika.
H.K. Hazarika. Learned governor advocates has been produced. Then governor advocate is directed to retain the records. So you retain it, don't send it. This is the matter for hearing. After 2 weeks,
Lordship. Interim order shall continue.
interim is there, interim order pass ready to continue.
No, this is this. This is to register.
Yes.
Hello.
23,
May I please, your lordship, item number 21. I'm extremely sorry as my senior is taking up a matter in some other court. Can it be taken at 2 p.m.?
2 p.m. will be difficult today.
At any time, lordship, today,
Now we are following up item number 20.
21.
May I please, my lord? My lord, in the present case, my lord, the petitioner tried to establish his linkage through his grandmother, my lord. As such, my lord, due to many, usually, my lord, all the petitioners in the foreigner tribunal establish their linkage through the grandfather or the father. But in the present case, my lord, petitioners want to establish a linkage through a grandmother, and as such, my lord, the learned tribunal misread the evidence, my lord, misread the documents and declared the petitioner as a foreigner, my lord. Lordship may come to
What
page
do they want?
23, my lord.
Grandfather. They will engage. Directly through the grandmother, you want to establish.
Yes, my lord. Through his father, via his father, my lord.
Why as father?
Yes, my lord. Lordship may come to page 23, my lord. Page 23. This is the voter list of the year 1966, my lord, of village Satori Bori, my lord, where the petitioner's grandmother name appear at Mosammat Uzuri, and his grandfather name against his grandmother name is written as Lalung Sheikh, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Next, lordship may come to page 25, my lord, which is the voter list of 1997 in respect to the same village, Satori Bari, where my lord petitioner's father names appear as Millik. And his uncle's names also appear as Afaz Ali, my lord. And in the next column, my lord, it is written as son of Lalung, my lord. Lalung is the petitioner's grandfather, my lord. And Millik is the petitioner's father, my lord. And lordship, the one land documents, my lord, which is page 20, my lord. And the vernacular portion is page 22, my lord. Lordship come to page 20, my lord. Is that page 20, my lord? This is the belong to the village Satori Bori, my lord. Where the petitioner's grandfather name Lalung Sheng is appear, and on the basis of the mutation order, my lord, lordship may in the remarks portion, my lord, lordship may found the mutation order, my lord. In the inheritance, when in the deed of the inheritance, my lord, her father name appear in serial number 4, my lord, Millik Ali, my lord. Now, my lord, to link the petitioner to his father, my lord, his father, my lord, her father deposed before the tribunal that the petitioner is my daughter, my lord. Lordship may come to page 37, my lord. This is the DW2 Millik Ali, my lord. He is the father of the petitioner, my lord. Page 37, my lord. Para number 1, my lord. I am the father of the opposite party, that is the second party, namely Jahanara Begum, my lord. And in connection with the FT case number, so and so, my lord. When the father herself, my lord, the father himself deposed before the tribunal, my lord, she is my daughter, my lord. It is the sufficient evidence, my lord, to declare the petitioner as an Indian citizen, my lord. When the petitioner's father is himself is an Indian citizen, my lord, and when father admit that the present petitioner is my daughter, my lord, it is a concrete linkage, my lord, between her father and she, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. But my lord, learned tribunal disbelieve on those
But then,
documents because
you said that you're trying to get the linkage to your grandmother.
yes, my lord.
Then,
My grandmother name appear in 1966 voter list, my lord.
that's why that I've seen, that we have seen.
Yes, my lord. Is on page 23, my lord. That is my grandmother, my lord.
Lalung is your grandfather, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
And your father is Millik.
Yes, my lord. Against the Millik, my grandfather name is written as Lalung, my lord. Millik is son of Lalung, my lord. And this Millik deposed before the tribunal that the petitioner is my daughter, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, there is the Gampura certificate also, my lord. And also one certificate issued by the Hodo from Goria Moria Dekhi Porishad, my lord. They clarified that I am the indigenous Assamese people, my lord.
What?
My page 18, my lord. Vernacular portion on page 19. Translation is not correctly done.
Gloria Maria.
Page 18, my lord.
What is this? Gloria Maria.
And it is, they are certified that present petitioner is belong to the indigenous, belong to the Goria community, my lord.
Gloria Maria. Yeah, got it.
But my lord,
Okay,
my lord.
DW two,
Yes, my lord.
that is the protected father that.
Yes, my lord.
Apart from that, how can we say or how can we that basically the person who goes before the tribunal is the party? Is there any other legal when right person?
That is my lord, Gambra certificate, my lord. Gambra certificate. Gambra certificate and this certificate issued by the,
Certificate, etc. No. That kind of.
no, my lord, school certificate.
That's not the link with his father, with her father.
Yes, my lord, only the oral deposition, my lord. My lord, if considering the fact of this case, my lord, it is the liberty to the petitioner that either she can, it is a fact that she is the daughter of the Milik, my lord. If she had the no available documentary evidence, my lord, either she can be proved this fact through the documentary evidence or through by the oral evidence, my lord. When the documentary evidence is not sufficient enough in favor of the petitioner, then it can be proved through the oral evidence, my lord. That is she done, my lord, to educe her, to bring her father to depose before the tribunal, my lord. That is sufficient evidence, my lord. But when a learned tribunal only disbelieve that there is he found some.
Okay, we'll continue.
My lord.
Lordship, I'm sorry, in item 21, I could not appear, Lordship. I was on 11/4/13, Lordship. Can be taken after this matter, Lordship. Item 21,
Today there's a time constraint.
Friday, Lordship, then,
Oh, Friday again, I have some problem.
Lordship. Thereafter, there is holiday since Thursday, Lordship, then tomorrow, your Lordship. In this case, only there is a direction not to deport the petitioner, but there was no further interim order in favor of the petitioner.
25. But you have not been deported yet, isn't it?
Lordship,
So we'll take about on the 11th.
Lordship. Then none appears,
Okay, heart, so, heart, okay,
but deeply obliged.
also heart, so. This matter, I give on 11.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, there is, my lord, I earlier also mentioned, my lord, the Gambura issued a certificate, my lord, which is on page 15, my lord. And vernacular portion is page 16, my lord. Wherever it was stated that, my lord, certified that the Zahanara become daughter of Milli Valley of village Turibari post.
Just verify with the vernacular, no? This one. What is this late A? No. In the translated copy. In the translated. Yeah, that one, late A, 1.
My lord, the said.
It's just correct. A, Hakim. Son of with A. Huh? Oh. Yes.
Yeah, my lord. Said Gambura, my lord, deposed before the tribunal, which is on page 41, my lord. 41, my lord. But where he stated that I have appeared before this honorable tribunal on receipt of the summons to deposit on behalf of the Zahanara Begum. Exhibit D is the certificate dated 4/2/2017 issued by me. And the exhibit D1 is the signature in the said certificate. I am the Gambura of the Sotoriburi. Exhibit E is my identity card. He also come before the tribunal with his, along with his identity card, my lord. And functioning as the Gambura issued by the circle officer, Mikir Vetas Revenue Circle, my lord. I know Zahanara Begum and she is the daughter of Milli Kali, my lord. He also categorically deposed that the present petitioner is the daughter of the Milli Kali, my lord. And Zahanara Begum was married with the Abul Hakim of the village, Bondali Reserve under the Borpeta district, my lord. This is his deposition, my lord. And my lord, the learned tribunal discarded my documents, my lord, only mere some assumption and presumption, my lord.
What is your opinion?
My lord, lordship may come to the page number 42, my lord. This is the opinion, my lord. Lordship, discussion and reason started from page 44, my lord.
Let's see the Jamabandi again.
Yes, my lord. Lordship may come to page 20, my lord, 20.
Your father's name is Lalung, isn't it?
My grandfather name, my lord.
Oh, grandfather. Your father name is Milik.
Yes, my lord. If lordship come to page 46, my lord, look, it is the version of the tribunal, my lord. Why, my lord, that Jamabandi was disbelieved, my lord. He was wrongly interpreted that between the Lalung and Ujuri, my lord, my grandmother, my lord. My grandfather and grandma, between the grandmother's name, he wrongly interpreted, my lord. Lordship, may I read, my lord? If Lordship come to the middle part, the statement of the DW2 contains the mutation order, and it is evident that Millikali name has been mutated in the Jamabandi copy in respect of the patta number so and so by way of inheritance. Jamabandi copy exhibit C does not reflect that the Lalung was the pattadar, and in his place the son's name was mutated, my lord. However, my lord, it is categorically shows that the Lalung is a pattadar, my lord. His name appear in the serial number 2, my lord. Lalung is a pattadar, and even, my lord, if Lordship come to the remark part, my lord, it is categorically stated by this order, the date was not mentioned in respect of that number of the patta having mutated the name of the Millikali Nurot has been recorded in the patta in place of serial number 2 by dint of inheritance, my lord. Serial number 2 is the Lalung, my lord. He is my grandfather, my lord. And my lord, the later part, my lord. Now, if according to the claim of the DW2, if his father Lalung was the pattadar in respect of the patta number 42, no record or the descriptions have been written to show that the Lalung was the owner of the land, my lord. It is the itself, my lord, clear, my lord, where the Lalung is the pattadar, my lord. The Jamabandi itself interpreted that Lalung is the pattadar, and on the dint of the inheritance, my lord, his son's name was appeared in the Jamabandi, my lord.
Yes.
If also come to the said para of the page 46, my lord, later part, my lord, this Jamabandi was discarded only because the may I read, my lord? The DW2 have mentioned that his father died about the 55 years ago. Now, if his father died 55 years ago, as per the requirement of the section 50 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act 1886, the mutation have to be done within a period of the 6 months. The Jamabandi copy of Exhibit C shows that the circle officer have by the order dated 3/5/1993 have mutated the name of the Millikali as his legal heirs, and the no reasons have been forwarded by the opposite party why the mutation was done after a period of 25 years. My lord, my submission is that, my lord, that tribunal ought to have not go to that far, my lord. That this is the not jurisdiction of the, not falls under the jurisdiction of the his jurisdiction, my lord. It is the jurisdiction of the circle officer, my lord. How circle officer mutated a name in as per the deed of the inheritance, my lord. After the report of the Mondal submitted by the reporter, after verification, all the everything verification was done, my lord. The circle officer passed an order, my lord. Now, my lord, this landed tribunal questions that mutation order that was mutated, ought to have mutated 55 years ago, but it was mutated 25 years ago, my lord. On that basis, cannot be discarded a document which was a government record, my lord. It ought not to have been discarded, my lord. And the second thing is, my lord, when his father, my lord, there is the two, I have to establish two links, my lord. One is my grandmother, his husband name is Lalung, my lord, and my father's father name is Millik, my lord, and my grandfather name is Lalung, my lord. I clearly established through the Bhutal list, my lord, that I am the son of Lalung, my lord. Millikali is the son of Lalung, my lord. And this Millikali, my lord, come before the tribunal and depose that the present petitioner is my daughter, my lord. That itself sufficient to establish the link between my grandparents and me, my lord. My grandmother passed it.
You don't have any school certificates?
No, my lord, I don't have marriage certificate. My lord, as per my lord Muhammad law, my lord, marriage certificate,
No, school certificate. Your educational certificates.
I mean, she read up to
Anything
class.
anything that would go to link you with your father.
Yes,
Milik.
my lord. But otherwise, my league, my lord. Gaura certificate issued and
That's
Gaura.
a different thing.
My lord.
What we want to see is some documents, educational documents.
My lord, if lordship come to section 50 of the Evidence Act, my lord.
I'm not on that
My
section.
lord. Lordship.
I'm asking you whether you have some documents.
My lord, perhaps I don't have my documents, my lord.
Perhaps you don't have.
My lord. Though, and she was not, she was reading up to class 4, my lord.
Then obviously there will be some entry into the school register. Which school you are studying in?
It was not mentioned, my lord. I will take instruction, my lord.
You take instructions. Sir.
My lord.
Mr.
A.M. Hassan.
M. Hassan, the counsel for the petition. I'll take instructions as to whether the petitioner has any educational certificates to enable the petitioner to link with his father. Milik, correct?
ma'am.
Milik. Stop. List the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Publish me.
24.
May I have his lordship? Lord, I was directed to file an affidavit by the president of Tipai Gram Panchayat, my lord. I filed it on 23rd August, my lord.
Oh.
Affidavit by the president, my lord. At Pera, my lord.
Who is the order? 1 minute.
My lord. Page 65, my lord. Page 65. The lordship got it.
1 minute.
There are 2 and 3, my lord. At page 66 also. Para number 3. My lordship is 30.
Page
Page 30, my lord. DW3.
yes.
You are Panchayat president of which village and from when working as a president? I'm the president of 79 number Tipai Gram Panchayat. I have been working as a Panchayat president since the year 2013. Identity card, my exhibit 2 is my identity card, so and so. And my next question, how and from when know the alleged second party? The alleged second party is Sajan Isa is an inhabitant of Barpatar village under my Panchayat. I know her for many years. Her father's name is Mahmoud Ali. I have given a certificate to me in the allegation. Exhibit E is the above certificate. Exhibit E is my signature. So my link is proved, my lord. Now your lordship turn to page 32, my lord. Page 32, my lord. Annexure E. It's a voter list of 1965, my lord. My father's name. serial number 673. Voter's name Mahmood Ali, my father, my lord. Now, your lordship, turn to page 33, my lord, annexure F. Voter list of my lord 1970, my lord. Serial number 668. Mahmood Ali, my lord, my father.
Yes.
So, my lord, it is presumed, my lord, since I'm the daughter of my lord Mahmood Ali, and my lord, my citizenship could not be questioned, my lord. I have submitted all documents regarding this.
Are you trying to establish your link with your father through the Gambara certificate only?
My lord,
Any other documents do you have?
my lord, Panchayat certificate I have submitted, my lord.
Panchayat certificate?
Yes, my lord. That is 8 at page, my lord. At page 56, annexure M, my lord.
Yes. Then
And my lord, at page 35, my lord, page 35. Again, this is 1979 voter list, my lord. My father's, my lord. 859 serial number. I have submitted, my lord, all my lord voters list of my lord many years, my lord. 79, 65, 71. And my voter list is, my lord, at page 41, my lord. I'm the wife of my lord Sahar, my lord. Page 41 and next page 42, my lord. My name reflects, my lord. Page 41 and 42, my lord. Sahar Ali is my husband, my lord.
yes.
Then, my lord, voter list of my lord, 2015 at page 44, my lord. 44. Sajir Nesa, my lord. That's me, my lord. Then my husband's name, my lord, Sahar Ali. The next page, my lord, 45. Voter list of 2019, my lord. Sajir Nesa, my lord. And my husband's name.
What is page 52?
Page 52, my lord. It's my lord, my grandfather's, my lord, voters list, my lord, as a link, my lord.
Grandfather.
Yes, my lord.
Who's your grandfather?
My lord, Ismail Ali, my lord.
Then your father's name is Mahmood,
My lord, yes.
isn't it?
Yes,
Here
my
it's Muhammad.
Mahmud and Muhammad, my lord. At
Hmm.
page 2, my lord. Can you see at page 2? Page 2, my lord.
Page 2 of
Yes,
your-
my lord. Of my read petition, my lord.
Oh.
My father is known by 2 names.
Page 2, yeah.
Yes. Sajirun Nisa, daughter of Mahmud Ali, alias Muhammad Ali. My father is known by 2 names. So I am submitted, my lord, all voter lists. So my father, my lord, and my lord, since I was married to Sahar Ali, my lord. And after that, my lord, I am casting my vote in my husband's place, my lord. Sahar Ali, my lord. And I'm as a league document, my lord, I have submitted the Panchayat certificate, my lord. So as a result, my lord, since I have submitted the link document, my lord, I will be declared as an Indian citizen, my lord. That's my lord, humble submission, if your lordship.
Yes, Shama.
Lordship. Your lordship. Only link document is contract certificate, lordship. Apart from them, nothing is there, lordship. And this contract certificate, lordship, using the state emblem in the top of the certificate, lordship, it's not admissible in evidence, lordship. And law has already been settled, lordship, regarding this, lordship. So
Regarding what?
regarding state emblem,
Hmm.
Gaon Panchayat secretary or Gaon Bura cannot use state emblem, lordship.
Correct.
Yes, lordship. So this certificate has no value, lordship. Apart from that, lordship, Gaon Panchayat and Gaon Bura was never come before the tribunal to depose before the tribunal, lordship. So, lordship,
No, my lord, Panchayat president came, my lord. At DW, my lord, DW3, my lord, page 30. Panchayat president came, my lord. At page 30. Page 30, my lord. Who will be in a my lord, better position to give certificate, my lord? Me? Page 30, my lord. You are a Panchayat president of which village? That question was asked. The next question, my lord, how and from when know the alleged second party?
That will-
You will examine, my lord.
Yes.
lordship may take the matter for hearing, lordship, during the course of hearing, lordship.
You're not prepared today.
Lord-
You're not prepared.
Lordship,
You're not prepared today.
yes, lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. Tribulus Raman, Nagaland Council for the petition.
On 7th of September, my lord.
On request. Made by Mr. G. Sharma. Is the matter for hearing on
7th of September, my lord.
7, there will be some difficulty, 7 and 8.
Then my lord, 12th.
Actually, lordship, just now I have received the copy, lordship.
Writ petition,
Yes, lordship.
you did not serve your
My lord, 3 times, my lord. 3 times we have served, my lord, this copy.
somewhere maybe.
Believing him, my lord, I have not taken his signature. Today I have started in the second half, my lord. I have
Yes,
not taken his
Lordship.
signature, my lord.
So maybe
In good faith.
Maybe wrong from my side, Lordship, somewhere misplaced.
You should admit that, my lord.
Yes, so Lord.
Oblige, lordship.
26,
Lordship, as for last order, court has directed to bring one affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, we need some time, Lordship. 2 weeks time may be granted, Lordship. But that person is residing in West Bengal, Lordship. That's why.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
B. Borgohai, Lordship.
P. Borgohain on the council for the petition. How much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time is allowed. To file the affidavit as directed by this court on 14/8/2023.
Master plan.
This matter, 3 weeks.
Master plan.
27,
My lord, last occasion, Honorable Court directed to petitioner to produce that certificate of petitioner's father. So petitioner already applied to the concerned authority, but he had not received. Further time may be needed. So my kindly may be matter adjourned for 4 weeks. my lord.
For
4 weeks.
why 4 weeks?
My lord, all record they have not could not find it until now, my lord.
Mr.
N. Ahmed.
And Ahmad learned the counsel for the petitioner's offense. That the petitioner has made an application for obtaining a death certificate of his father. However, petition is yet to be furnished a copy of the same. In that view of the matter, he submits that the matter be listed up to 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, at least after 4 weeks.
Oblige, my lord.
item 5, leftover motion matter.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. As per court direction, my lord. I have received, my lord, voter list of 1971, my lord. And 1985, 89, and 1997, my lord, complete voter list. And my lord, I may be allowed to file a affidavit, my lord, for submitting the document.
Mr.
A. Ahmed.
A. Mohammed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for
1 week.
1 week time to file an additional affidavit. Enclosing the voter list of 1997, 19,
And 1971,
1971,
85,
85,
89,
89,
and 97.
and 97. Praise the Lord, list after 1 week.
41 of supplementary list, admission.
In this case, my lord, I directed the election commission, my lord, commissioner to produce voter list of. I'm happy that. যাতে বিয়ার কাগজ একটা আছে এগুলো হাসমিনের ফাইল আমি বিয়ার কাগজ আছে তো
Yes. Where's the direction? By which order?
Last order, I think, my lord.
Who appears for election commission?
Yes, yes, 11. I put it.
Lordship, I received the instruction today just now, but it is in the PDF form. If Lordship fix it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I just produce all the instructions. It has.
But Mr.
A.M. Ahmed.
A.M. Ahmed, clerical counsel for the petition. On request made by AILD and the standing council is here. Please comment again on 13th September.
42,
Petitioner's father name is Mofizuddin and father name is Jilimon Nessa, my lord. Voter list of 1966, page 1616, my lord. Page 16. Voter list of 1966, my lord. Serial number 232 and 233, my lord. Father and mother. my lord.
Of the petitioner?
Yes. Mofizuddin. And mother name is Jilimon Nessa, my lord. Village is, my lord, Kasaripet Part 3. Circle season gram, my lord. Police station, Uttar Salmaram is North Salmaram.
Yes.
And next page, my lord, page 17, 17, my lord. Voter list of 1970. Serial number 248, Mofizuddin, 249, Jilimon Nessa, 250, Faizuddin and Aibali, are others family member, my lord. 252, my lord, Hobibur Rahman, Mofizuddin, my lord, elder brother. 252 serial. Hobibur Rahman. Father's name is Mofizuddin. DW2, my lord, in this case, my time coming. And
No, this Jalimun Nessa is the
mother.
mother.
Mother. Jilimun Nessa mother. And Hobibur Rahman, elder brother. Page 18, my lord. Page 18, my lord. Abed Ali Sheikh, my lord. There is the petitioner, my lord. Jilimon Bea, my lord, after the death of husband, my lord, she took her nickname as Bea, my lord. Mofizuddin, my lord. Kasari Peti, Part 3, same village. Other voter list are 1997, 2008. All are voter list are same village, my lord. And DW2, my lord, elder brother of the petitioner, my lord. Kindly see page 41. Whose name appear along with mother and father in the voter list of 1970. Page 41. Hobibur Rahman.
Yes.
I was born at village Kasaripeti. I had cast my vote for the first time in the year 1970, which is already shown in page 17. Minute. Abed Ali is my younger brother. Abed Ali is the petitioner. Abed Ali's name appear along with the mother name. In voter list of 1985. Page 18.
Yes.
A link is established.
Yes. The opinion of the tribunal,
And my lord, one more thing, my lord, one sale deed also in the name of Avedek, case 23.
of which year?
It is the 2014, my lord. Here is father name is reflected, my lord, village name also be reflected. Page 23.
Yes.
Impugn order is page 45. Only finding is, my lord, a petitioner could not establish linkage with his grandfather, whose name appear in the NRC 1951. That is the finding, page 46, last.
Yeah, so the document, except the voter is, no? Shama, what do you say?
Lordship, Lordship. Her name discrepancy and there Lordship regarding
Mother.
the name of his mother Lordship.
Jilimun
Somewhere
is a-
Jilimon Neta, somewhere Jiliton Neta.
Jilimun Bewa.
Lemon is a spelling mistake.
Zilimun Bewa. Ziliton Nai.
And also Lordship, there is a shifting from village Norovita to Ketari Pet Lordship. I have to see the record Lordship for better clarification Lordship. Okay, can it be on next week Lordship? I have to verify the record.
But Mr.
Kita paham beberapa itu.
Ahmed, responsible.
Itu sih paham beberapa. Itu beran
Request made by Mr. K. Sharma, the Standing Council Act. This after 1 week.
Lordship.
28 of daily list order. Twenty-eight,
Who's the government advocate?
I'm the government. My
Yeah,
lord, and
Uh,
communication was made to the Lord Lakhimpur, my lord, this is, and but unfortunately, my lord, the file could not be traced out. In the meantime, they have sent me a communication, again requesting for some more time. They could determine that the file is at a circle office of the Lakhimpur circle, my lord. So they need some more time. Yesterday I received a message. But they have sent me a vernacular copy of an order. Sometime, my lord. Sometime.
Have you read the order?
Yes, I-
Last order.
yes, I have gone.
What does the last paragraph say?
It says that if you fail to, then the decision will be made to personal appearance. So I'm praying, my lord, one last chance may be given, at least to come some conclusive with regard to the matter.
Mr.
And thus,
N. Das Leonard. Government advocate. Government advocate. Submits that communication has been made to the Deputy Commissioner, North Lakhimpur, District Lakhimpur, Assam, with regard to the procurement of mutation case number 173/87-88. However, he has instructions to pray for some more time, as the said file is not traceable at the moment. In that view of the matter, how much time?
my lord, some time.
2 weeks.
At least 4 weeks, my.
Not 4 weeks.
But they have managed to get a certified copy of an order, my. It may be also reflected.
It is also submitted that the Deputy Commissioner North Lakhimpur has managed to get a certified copy of the order of the mutation case, correct?
Of certified, however, we came to manage find a copy of the certified version of the case, and that has been sent.
Of
certified.
the mutation case. For as a last chance, 3 weeks' time is allowed to produce the reports as directed by this court earlier. These are the 3 weeks.
29, 30, 31.
My lord, appellant side is absent, my lord, that also may be important.
None appeals for the appeal.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, I appear for item number 29. Service is complete, your lordship. Service was not completed in terms of respondent number 1. Now it is completed, your lordship. On the last occasion, councils have appeared for respondent number 1 in writ appeal number 47 of 2020. So the matter can be fixed for admission, your lordship.
Whether service is complete or not. Who appeared on the other?
Mr. D. Mohanto, your lordship. The lordship takes up item, the order dated 22/6/2023. And the latest order, your lordship, which is 17/8/2023. It is indicated, your lordship, that Mr. D. Mohanto has appeared.
Lordship may peruse the official mail. Perhaps it's 19.
19/6/2020.
On 22/6, your lordship, Mr. P. Mohanty.
Number 47 of 2020.
Lordship, in this case, you can, will appear for responder one.
You can,
Lordship, you will.
you are appearing for respond number one.
No, I'm for responder 2 minutes.
Then how are you submitting on behalf of respond? number one?
Lordship, as per my information.
So that is not relevant now.
What
Your
is,
Lordship.
what is your source of information with regard to respond number one? You are appearing for respond number two,
Lordship.
then. But Mr.
M. Sharma.
M.
Your Lordship.
Sharma, Learned Counsel for that. In 3 April 47 of
2020.
2020. Is it MS D Mahanda or Mr. D Mahanda?
D. Mohanty, your lordship. D. Mohanty.
Mr.
Mr. D. Mohanty.
MSD Mohanty.
Dulu Mohanty.
Exam.
Diksha Mohanty.
Who is the Wakalat number?
Lordship, 5 minutes.
1 minute, just check out the Wakalat number. Read in this report.
Miss D. Mohanty.
Huh? Here it said Wakalat number.
If I may be permitted, your lordship, there's a judicial order, your lordship, which records the presence of Miss D. Mohanty.
That is fine.
Yes, yes. Madam,
They gave it. Okay. There is the office order dated 19/6/2023, where it indicates that the council have entered deference on behalf of respond number one. On the last occasion, when this matter was called up, within bracket 22/6/2023. MS D Mahanda, Learned Counsel, entered deference on behalf of respondent. However, none appears for the respond number one today. List the matter again on after.
I leave it to your lordship. I leave it to your lordship.
Fix a date, Lordship.
And the matter should be in the admission column.
Other two rate appeals by the time appearing in my rate appeals for service have already been completed.
Also heard Mr. RM Beka,
Right.
Learned Counsel for the appellants in writ appeal number
One is 285 of 2019.
285 of 2019 and 54 of 22.
Yes.
Just after that, you say peruse the order dated so and so of the peruse the order of this. Peruse the order of the registry. Noting dated
19/6/2023, which indicates that the council appointed appearance on behalf of respondent number one. Stop. And then, on the last occasion, when the matter was called up, demand the council appeared for the respondent number one in WA 47/2020. So how none appears for the respondent number one today in the with appeal 47th in the this matter. You want a date fixed or
What's a fixed date?
after 2 weeks, 3
Yes,
weeks?
3 weeks.
Huh?
After 3 weeks, man.
After 2 weeks, what is the 2 weeks? 26th.
I'm grateful.
Thirty-two,
It's not, no? 3 o'clock, right?
Lordships,
Orders, let us finish the order matters. Yes, what is this?
Lordships, in this case, my lord, earlier, directed to submit status report of Kalgasia PS, my lord. We have not received that report. My lord.
1
Sometime
minute, 1 minute.
2 weeks time, my.
Why is it coming for orders? Are there some private parties?
Yes,
There are some private,
no, my lord.
no private parties. Officer in charge, Superintendent of Police, Deputy Commissioner, Director General, Commissioner, Chief Secretary.
Directed to produce a
Latest
status
status report was called for.
So, when we have not received it, when some time, we are seeking some time.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
M. Islam.
M. Islam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Complaint. Press for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to enable him to place on the court. To enable him to place the report,
Report, status report of
the status report
investigation Kalgasia PS case number.
of the investigation in connection with Kalkachia PS case number 183 of 2021. Praise allowed, list after 2 weeks. MS. The council appears on behalf of respond number 2.
33,
May please.
Yes,
I for implementing the.
Legal yes.
Substitute the.
What is this with petition about?
The petition for petitioner expired, my lord. Petitioner expired on my lord on 28/5/2021.
No, what is the writ petition about?
The petitioners are the wife, sons and daughters. In the legal heir of the deceased petitioner. my lord.
Okay, FC.
Right.
Huh? Yeah. Any objections?
No, Lord.
Okay, heard, Mr.
B. Islam.
B. Islam, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, FD. Stop. By this application, the applicants who are the heirs of the petitioner in WBC number 2246 of 2029 are praying for improvement as petitioners in place of the late, who's the father in place of the writ petitioner, namely
Motibur Rahman.
Madhipur Rahman alias Madpur. Madhipur Rahman alias Madpur alias Modibur Rahman, who expired on 28/5/2021. Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Standing Council FT has no objection. According, we have also produced the question in the present application and we are satisfied. Accordingly, the prayer for implementation is announced. Highest disposal. In view of in the main requisition, in view of the order passed today in the main IA number 7. So, who are the parties? Let's. Now what we can do, we can implement them. After implementing in the main writ petition will be remanded by. Reports have come. Yes, Mr. Islam. Prosity died, correct?
Yes, Prestige died.
And the legal years, are there any proceedings against the legal years?
Legal years.
Huh?
All on legal years, madam. No proceeding has been done against the petitioner.
Why should we want to be implicated?
In the proceeding died, madam, after when they will be prove their Indian citizenship, madam. Then maybe problem will be created due to demise of the father and husband, madam. That is why, madam, come to this honorable court.
If they can prove the citizenship of Motibur Rahman Lordship, then their case, no adverse effect has to be faced by them, Lordship. So Lordship, they want to substitute. in
Otherwise,
place of
there'll be a
Motibur
reference,
Rahman.
there'll be a reference against
Yes,
them.
Lordship, yes, Lordship. So they want to substitute in place of Motibur Rahman Lordship.
Is that possible?
Yes, Lordship. Here is a law, Lordship. If others declared foreigner is legal.
Automatically, all the
Yes,
legal
yes,
will be
Lordship, yes,
declared a
Lordship,
foreigner.
yes.
In view of the order passed today in the IA number, so let's then I'll flag it in the IA. Huh? It let from A to E be implemented as petitioners. It will be now petitioners 1 to 7. No, 2
1
to
to
8.
7.
2 to 8, isn't it?
No, 1 to 7. One is the mother of the.
No.
The wife
In
and
the writ petition, there's already one petitioner, isn't
only
it?
one petitioner. Motibur was the only petitioner, and
That has expired.
my lord, he was expired, and then wife and children come.
So they will come in as number 2 to 8, isn't it?
It would be so, but here is 1 to 7 is it?
It will be 2 to 8 in the writ petition, correct?
Yes, Lord, my lord,
Yes, petitioners 2 to 8. in the present petition. The newly implemented petitioners are directed to file an amended post title within 1 week. List after 1 week. You file an amended post title up to date.
34,
With religious lawsuits. My lord, in this case, order has been passed by this honorable court and this honorable court passed an order and make appear before the tribunal, my lord, on 6/5/2023. But petitioner won't be able to appear before this honorable tribunal on 6/5/2023, my lord. I have already
Where
informed.
is the order?
Order is page 10, my lord. And last, that is the petitioner to appear before the tribunal, that is page 12, on 6/5/2023. I have already informed the learned advocate of the tribunal, my lord, but he won't be able to contact because they are staying a very remote area, my lord. So my humble prayer to make a date, my lord, next date, so that they can appear, my lord.
6/5/2023.
My lord,
Now you're making your application today.
6/5/2023, yes, my lord.
Yes.
Because they won't be
That
able
was
to
in
get the
May. Now it's
information.
June, July, August.
No, my lord, I have filed.
When did you file this?
You
You filed it in August, 23rd
August, my lord, because they could not contact, my lord, the advocate for the tribunal, my lord. He could not contact because Bihu was there and he was staying, they were staying very remote area, my lord.
What Bihu?
No, at April, my lord, in the time of April, my lord. And his wife also not keeping well. He has gone to some other for treatment, my lord, come to Guwahati. I have engaged by the advocate for the tribunal, my lord. So I have accordingly, I inform, my lord.
Are you serious in this writ petition?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Hertamus K. Devi Learned Counsel for the
Fine.
applicant. By this application, the applicant, who is the writ petitioner in WBC number 2760 of 2019, is praying for extension of time to appear before the foreigners tribunal number 10 to stop. It is the submission of the learned counsel for the applicant that by order dated 29/3/2023, WBC number 2760 of 2019 was disposed of, directing the applicant of the writ petitioner to appear before the tribunal, before the foreigners tribunal number
10 to
number 10 Dhupri
Dhupri.
on 6/5/2023. However, comma, what is your reason?
Reason I have mentioned, my lord, para 6. No, not para 6, my lord. 4. Para 4.
That the counsel for the applicant cancel that part. That the counsel for the applicant could contact the petitioner in the first week of May 2023. And after, due to some personal inconvenience, she could not immediately get back to her counsel at Dhupri. Stop. Thereafter, the time fixed, in the meantime, the time fixed by this court permitting the applicant to appear before the foreigners tribunal number 10 of Dhubri had expired. So, in that view of the matter, Learned Council submits that for the ends of justice, the date may be fixed to enable the petitioner to appear before the learned tribunal. So, but on consideration of the submission made by the learned council to the applicant, and as Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel FT has no objection, period of the time period for the petitioner, applicant of the petitioner to appear. And as there are no objections from the side of Mr. G. Sharma,
September.
this I is disposed of by directing the applicant of the petitioner
21 of June.
in WBC number 2760 of 2019 to appear before the foreigners traveler number 10, Dhubri on
28, 20.
on this month.
No, September, my
Yes.
lord.
Why again? Why so long?
Because they are so illiterate, my lord. Could not understand anything, my lord. That's why I need some more time, my lord.
28th of September.
Poor also, they are very poor.
With the aforesaid directions,
Highly
this I is disposed.
obliged.